Hi again, so the last video I added the wrong date. The kits will be available on July 14, 2025. Here I'm just labeling my wax melt containers with warning labels. Now it's time to measure out the wax. The containers hold 2.75 ounces of wax, so this 16 ounces bag will produce 7 wax melts for me. I have a bigger wax melter, but I only use it for candle jar wax. For the wax melts I just use this little burner since I pour in small batches. The wax has now melted down and I'm checking the temperature. I'm adding in 9 drops of purple dye because I want a deep dark color. Now it's time to measure out the fragrance oil. I don't know why I stopped pouring because adding it this way is too slow. Pour the fragrance oil in. Now stir for 2 minutes. I already had my containers laid out. So now it's time to pour the cooled down wax into the containers. I normally just pour into the first square and allow it to spill into the other squares. Then I'll go back with the remaining wax to fill up any that seem lower than the rest. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and for anyone who stayed until the end. The first 8 orders on Etsy will now receive a free car diffuser.